I told you this how you do a side road repair on a freaking bicycle. And I need me la God knows where. Need dampers and them the garden feeling them. Right, here what you have to do. Yeah, will 12 volts pump air compressor shit. Right? Them shit cheap battery them lead acid non-leakable thing. Non-leakable battery and I into the RC thing. So I had these connectors, these DINS connectors or T-style connectors. Now, my tire was just kind of soft, right? But what I just do, I just carry an extra, well, I know I carry an extra too, brand new, right? Not patch, right? So, well, the tire is friggin' soft already. All you have to do is just, let me fix this. Right, now we get over. To the top, and you wait. Try again harder. Now this is kind of shit I do, right? Now if it only thing come with the connector and do fix do it after it. I end up cutting off mine to try to make an air compressor. Right? And it F more real bad. Right, this one. Right, I think it now start the pump. See what? I go just pause, I go turn it off and put it back on. Right, now we back in action. Pumping. Now you go to 30 PSI. And this tire was fat, right? I see this hack on YouTube, right? On Set Bike Hack. The tire, I got holding it down that lane. Yeah, I think it's that lane. Yeah, that lane, right? And I come through, I fix it, I come back through the lane today, and the chain snap, right? So right now I'm chainless. Alright, let's turn this thing off. It bust the tire. Right, now we pump up, right? And install the valve cap, and we're good to go. Right, so I snap my chain. Right, so now I had to push the bike home. At least I'm not walking on the bike. Understand? So I just come to catch fish my little alligator, my baby alligator there. Because he can eat in a little while. So now come to catch something. Now I don't have no fancy gimbal and them kind of GoPro and all that shit. So what I have, I'm making do it, and all I have is a Samsung J1 selfie. What the fuck? That man nearly bounced me down. And I don't really care, right? I don't care how much subscribers I have or views, right? Once everybody like the video and happy, right? So if you start around watching this YouTube channel and this video, right? A little cuss and carry on like me, right? I was only 16, but I don't give a shit, right? So no pump up the tire, she ready to go. Alright, see you all in the next video.